Meaning of grocer.
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 Grocer. A grocer is a merchant who sells primarily food and household goods in a retail store. Grocers typically source products from wholesale suppliers and stock their stores with a variety of fresh produce, meat, dairy, canned goods, snacks, and other household staples. Grocers may also offer specialized products such as organic or locally produced items, and some may provide additional services such as home delivery or catering. Overall, the role of a grocer is to provide customers with access to the food and household essentials they need on a regular basis, often at a convenient neighborhood location.